Over the past 27 years, DAEGYO Bolt has grown into a specialized company producing industrial bolts, nuts, fasteners, and anchors, serving industries such as plant, manufacturing, heavy equipment, and EPC. DAEGYO Bolt supplies heavy-duty anchors, fasteners, screws, bolts, and nuts. With outstanding technological capabilities, including ISO 9001 quality certification and patented technologies, the company has earned the trust of major corporations and government agencies. Furthermore, by entering various platforms, participating in various expos, conventions, and completing external programs, DAEGYO Bolt is accelerating its expansion into the global market. As a global company, DAEGYO Bolt grows alongside its customers by providing prompt and precise solutions.
DAEGYO Bolt